Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got something super useful to share with you all, whether you're upgrading your kitchen or just need some extra lighting in those hard-to-reach places. We're reviewing the Under Cabinet Lights 40 LED Rechargeable Battery-Operated Motion Sensor Light. It's perfect for the kitchen, closets, stairs, basically anywhere you need a little more brightness. So, let's dive in and see why this could be your next must-have home accessory. First off, let's talk about the design. These under-cabinet lights come in a sleek, compact build with 40 bright LEDs in each light. It's slim enough to be almost invisible, but powerful enough to light up your space effectively. They're perfect for areas like your kitchen countertops, closets, and stairs where you need some extra light but don't want the bulk of traditional lighting fixtures. What really sets these lights apart is the motion sensor. You don't even have to touch them. Just walk by, and they automatically turn on, lighting up your path. And after 20 seconds of no motion, they automatically turn off, saving battery life. This is especially useful in places like staircases or closets where your hands are often full and you don't want to fumble for switches. Speaking of battery life, let's get into that. These lights are rechargeable, so no need to worry about constantly buying new batteries. On a single charge, you can expect around 3 to 4 weeks of use, depending on how frequently the motion sensor gets triggered. It comes with a USB charging cable, making it easy to plug in and recharge when needed. Now, let's talk installation. It's super easy. Thanks to the magnetic back, you can just stick them onto any metal surface, or use the adhesive metal plates that come with the package to attach them to non-metal surfaces. This means you don't need any tools or screws, and no need to drill into your walls. Perfect for renters. Another awesome feature is the dimmable option. You can easily adjust the brightness to your liking, whether you want a soft glow for ambience or full brightness for tasks like chopping vegetables in the kitchen. For me, one of the biggest pros is how versatile these lights are. You can use them under cabinets, inside closets, in your garage, or even as a night light for your kids. Plus, they're wireless, so you can place them anywhere, without worrying about cords or finding an outlet nearby. Cons. Now, no product is perfect, right? One minor downside is that, since they're motion sensor lights, they can sometimes trigger unexpectedly, like when a pet walks by. But honestly, that's a small price to pay for the convenience they offer. Final thoughts. Overall, the under-cabinet lights with 40 LEDs are an excellent buy if you're looking for easy, effective, and flexible lighting solutions for your home. They're stylish, simple to install, and loaded with features like motion sensing, rechargeability, and dimmable brightness. Whether it's for your kitchen, closet, or stairs, these lights are a game changer. So, there you have it. If you're looking to upgrade your lighting situation, these rechargeable under-cabinet lights are definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips and product reviews. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.